Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions UK. Today I have a abroth 595 key. It's a 2016 model, and to replace the battery on it, I'm just going to tell you how to do it. See, you have to press this logo. This key gonna open. To change the battery on this key fob, you need this size of flat head screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. And I'm just going to put the link below in the description. If you want to go and buy online, it's no expensive. You can buy there, and it's gonna come to your house. You can see this V screw here, and that's a lock position here. If you're gonna turn it clockwise, and that's an unlock sign, just turn it like there. See, you have to put the screwdriver in there. See, that's a V place, and just put it there and pull it outside, and now the battery came out. Now what you can do, you can take this old battery out. It's a CR2032 battery, and take the new battery and put it here. See, when you are holding the this tray here, you can see there's a plus sign on the top, and the right hand side it will be up to place the new battery in. So guys, to put this tray back in, what you have to do, hold the key like this, and just as you can see, I'm just trying to put here as I aligned with it. I'm just going to pull it up and push it inside. That's placed in, and now I'm going to turn the screw anti-clockwise, so it's gonna go on the lock position. That's mean your battery has been changed and it's secured now. And just press this button, close this key, and you are ready to go. See guys, if you think my videos are helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe them, like them, and share them.